Have people really lost their minds? In 2026, when satellites circle Earth every 90 minutes and SpaceX rockets launch daily, a disturbing number of people still believe the Earth is flat. You might think, that's fringe, but look at the numbers. A 2020 survey showed that 2% of US adults firmly believe the Earth is flat, and another 5% aren't sure. That's millions of people in one country alone. So today we're not just asking, is the Earth flat? Why do humans reject overwhelming scientific evidence? And what does that mean for society? Let's get real. The Earth is an oblate spheroid confirmed by satellite imagery, GPS navigation, global flight routes, gravity measurements, and photos from the International Space Station. Over 2,000 years ago, Greek mathematician Eratosthenes calculated Earth's curve with over 90% accuracy, using nothing but shadows and simple math. Modern physics predicts things like gravity, orbital motion, and GPS triangulation. They all work only if Earth is round. If Earth were flat, GPS wouldn't function, high-altitude flight paths wouldn't make sense, and satellite communication would be impossible. But none of that happens. Here are some top flat Earth claims. The horizon is flat. Water can't curve. NASA is lying. Antarctica is an ice wall. Gravity doesn't exist. Sounds simple, but it's science denial, not science. The horizon looks flat because Earth's circumference is approximately 40,075 kilometers. That's enormous. Over short distances, curvature is imperceptible to the naked eye. Professional pilots, photographers, scientists, and amateur balloon launches regularly measure the curve. The evidence isn't hidden. It's observable. Here's where things get controversial. Flat Earth belief isn't about evidence. It's about identity and distrust. Studies on conspiracy thinking show that lower trust in institutions makes higher belief in conspiracies. Social alienation creates stronger adoption of fringe beliefs, and echo chambers amplify misinformation. People don't trust science anymore. They trust tribes. Some say, it's just a harmless belief. Wrong. Flat Earth belief often correlates with the vaccine misinformation, climate denial, distrust of public health, and trust of space exploration. In a 2021 Pew Research survey identified that 58% of people who strongly distrust scientists are more likely to hold conspiracy beliefs. Also, 57% distrust vaccinations or global climate data. When people reject fundamental science, society becomes vulnerable to harmful decisions. This isn't about a round planet. It's about how people decide what's true. Flat Earth groups have attempted experiments. Experiment number 1. Laser gyroscope test. They spent thousands of dollars expecting no rotation. Instead, the device showed a 15-degree-hour drift, exactly what a rotating Earth predicts. Instead of accepting the result, some flat earthers claimed the equipment was rigged. Experiment number 2. High-altitude balloon footage. Attempted to show a flat horizon. Instead, high-resolution cameras revealed curvature. So what happens when evidence contradicts a belief? People reject the evidence, not the belief. That tells us something profound. This isn't about facts, it's about psychology. So, have people lost their minds? Maybe not entirely. Humans are hardwired for pattern recognition, emotional identity, and tribal belonging. But what used to protect us evolutionarily now makes us vulnerable to misinformation. We're swimming in information, yet starving for truth. The Earth is round, the evidence is overwhelming. But the real question isn't, is the Earth flat? The real question is, how do we decide what's true, and who controls that decision? If you found this video truth-revealing, unsettling, or eye-opening, hit like and subscribe for more content that challenges beliefs and explores hidden realities. Drop a comment as well. What belief surprised you the most, and why? Turn on notifications, because the truth doesn't wait.